Today on AFOL TV, we're building a micro subway train and it starts right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to build awesome LEGO creations, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you never miss anything. Alright guys, so as mentioned in the opening, today we're doing our LEGO micro subway train. This is one of my favorite builds that we have on our website, and it's one of a few different micro trains that we have with more on the way. Also on our website we have a few different accessories that go with the trains, so be sure to check those out at afolstore.com. What's cool about this train is it links together and you can add or subtract as many cards as you'd like. And for the most part, it is a little bit more challenging than some of our other builds, but we'll walk you through the full thing. So let's get to it. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We release new content every week. And that's it. Hope you guys like the build. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.